Hey there, homeowners. We've got something truly special to share with you today. Imagine waking up every morning to a home that looks and feels brand new. No more unsightly stains, stubborn algae, moss, or lichen creeping on your roof. Say goodbye to dull and gloomy exteriors. Say hello to a brighter, more vibrant home. At Dirtbusters, we are not just in the business of cleaning, we are in the business of transformation. Our expert team specializes in high-pressure cleaning that not only removes the toughest stains, but also revitalizes the beauty of your home. We all know how quickly our homes can lose their luster. Algae, moss, lichen, and fungi creep in, making our beautiful homes look tired and worn. But guess what? There's a solution. Ready for your home's glow up? Contact us today, and let's bring out the beauty that's been hiding beneath the dirt and grime.